Hi, I'm Skylar. If you'd like to print something from Google Docs and want to change the size of your type, follow me. All right, so here I am in Chrome. I'm just going to go to my Google Drive and open up a document right here. Okay, so here I am looking at this document. I'm going to hold down Command and press P for print, and this is the Google print dialog. I can preview the file to my heart's content. However, I don't see any way to change the size of this printout. But I can print using the System dialog, so click this link here. And now you can change the scale to whatever you'd like. Then click Print. This is one way to enlarge the printed document. Another way you could do it is by going back to your document, just selecting everything, and bumping the font size up to, say, 18. Okay, I'm going to print again. And now I see in the preview that the type is much larger. This is my preferred method. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.